attendants prepare doors for departure. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, please turn off any portable electronic equipment until 10 minutes after takeoff.
Welcome aboard, and thanks for flying with us. We're committed to making your flight safe and comfortable. So before we depart, we'll be showing a brief safety presentation. This information can help you if there's an emergency, so it's important to pay close attention, even if you are a frequent flyer.
All carry-on items should now be stored securely, either in an overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. And all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas should be clear. Your mobile phones and other electronic devices should be turned off. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask toward you until the tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic strap over your head, and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate.
You cannot smoke. I'm so sorry.
Smoking is not allowed on any Delta flight, and federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a restroom smoke detector. Now, before we take off, be sure your seat is upright and locked, your tray table is put away, and all carry-on items are properly stowed. As we come through the cabin for our final safety checks, please let us know if you have any questions. And finally, now would be a good time for everyone to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
Thanks for your attention. Enjoy your flight.
Folks, looks like we're just a few planes back from getting off the ground, so at this time, flight attendants, prepare for takeoff.
Taxi, which flight Quebec? Oh, that's 1800. Taxi 831 is on Charlie. We're going to spot Lima.
I think we set the flight. Oh, sorry, yeah, it's off. 2.6 up and 0.
Flight 1 Alpha, head 016 this morning.
448 now, via Foxtrot.
I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you aboard our flight, ladies and gentlemen. The captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, indicating that we are now at cruising altitude. You are free to move about as necessary. However, we do ask that when you are seated, you keep your seatbelt comfortably fastened for your safety and that of those about you. We're expecting a smooth flight, so sit back, relax, and enjoy our hospitality. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time we request that you turn off and stow all electronic devices and keep them turned off until we are safely parked at the gate. In final preparation for landing, please make sure your seat backs are straight up, your tray tables are stowed, and any carry-on luggage is tucked under the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Flight attendants will be passing through the cabin one last time to do compliance checks and to collect all remaining service items.
Chaque semaine, 220 avions de Delta Airlines s'envolent depuis l'Europe vers les États-Unis. Et cela demande un peu de synchronisation. Delta Airlines. Vous allez adorer voyager.
It's Delta's pleasure to welcome you. Currently it's 10:21 in the morning. Please stay in your seat until the captain parks the airplane at the gate and turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Be careful when you're opening the overhead compartment. Items may shift it around a little bit and may fall and injure you or someone around you. If you need some assistance here with ground transportation, baggage claim, or a connecting flight, there will be a Delta representative leading this flight to assist you. On behalf of your Atlanta-based flight attendants and your New York-based pilots, it's been our pleasure bringing you here this morning. We sure do hope to see you again on a future Delta flight. Thank you. Have a great day.